Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare beetroot pudding. For this, we'll take fresh beetroot, we'll wash them and peel them to remove any dirt. Grate them and keep them in a bowl. Beetroots are a good source of nutrients, fiber and many plant compounds. The health benefits of this vegetable include improved heart health, ability to reduce blood pressure, and enhanced exercise capability. Once done with the grating, in a hot pan, we'll take half cup of clarified butter, which is ghee. Add red chilies and bay leaf to this. Now we'll add the grated beetroot. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Packed with essential nutrients, beetroots are a great source of fiber, folate, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. They are well tolerated except for individuals prone to kidney stones. After frying for 5-7 minutes, we'll pour 200 ml of milk and mix them. Cover and cook for some time till the beetroot softens. After 10 to 15 minutes, the color will change. Now we'll keep frying till the milk evaporates. We are adding 200 grams of milk solid Khoya to this. Cover and cook till the solids melt. Add quarter teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Add dry fruits of your choice. I have added cashews and almonds. You may add any nuts or seeds of your choice. Keep frying till the milk evaporates and the concoction thickens. It takes 30 to 40 minutes to prepare this dish. Add 150 to 200 grams of sugar. You may add less or more sugar based on your choice. Alternatively, you can add jaggery to this. Garnish with dry fruits while serving. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.